Today, I'm going to show you how to grow celery effortlessly using recycled plastic bottles. Prepare the celery. We'll be keeping the base part. A bowl of clean water and add some dissolved root stimulant powder. To give these celery bases the strongest rebirth, soak the entire root cluster in the stimulant mixture. Cut the plastic jug in half. Drill several holes in the top half of the bottle. Can you imagine what this planter will look like yet? Sliced tomatoes. Ripe sliced bananas. And clean water. This mixture will ferment naturally, releasing potassium and vitamins. It helps the stems stay thick and lush green without using any chemicals. I'll fill the bottle with soil almost to the rim. Take the celery bases that have been soaking and plant them about 2 centimeters deep into the soil. Make sure to leave enough space so each base has room to spread its leaves as it grows. From bare, cut bases, they have now transformed into lush green bushes, spreading their leaves and full of life. Long white roots are spreading wide inside the bottle. This is a clear sign that the plant is absorbing nutrients and water effectively. I'm pruning the old leaves on the outer ring. This prevents the plant from wasting energy on maintaining old foliage. Plus, it keeps the base airy to avoid mold and allows light to reach the core, stimulating new leaves to grow strong. Banana peels, aloe vera. And vitamin B. Cover it and let it ferment for 1 day. Pour the resulting mixture into a misting bottle. When misting this directly onto the leaves, the nutrients from aloe vera and B1 are absorbed instantly. It helps the stems get thick and lush green in just 1 night. The celery has grown so high The stems are as thick as a finger and very sturdy. Especially, look at the bottom of the bottle. The pure white roots have taken over the nutrient-rich water. Healthy roots mean a fast-growing plant. Can you believe it? This is my celery garden. After over a month of care, they've grown beyond expectations. Thick stems, sturdy, and incredibly aromatic. Finally, the day has come. Look at my basket of celery. So green and fragrant. It's a cool day today. Come join me as I plant some water spinach. This is a very familiar vegetable in every family meal. Water spinach has a characteristic fibrous root system that develops very aggressively. These slots act as gateways for the roots to reach out and find water faster. I'm going to use all of these cups for planting. By this point, can you guess how I'm going to plant them? I'm going to make a floating hydroponic raft. When cutting the holes, be meticulous and follow the outlined marks so the cups fit snugly and securely. After placing the cups into position, we get a neat and clean planting system like this. Fill the foam box with water. I'm adding a spoonful of coffee grounds to the water to stimulate lightning-fast growth. I'll distribute the coconut coir evenly into each cup. Water spinach seeds. I'll sprinkle them evenly and directly onto the coconut coir substrate I just prepared. One day later, the seeds have already sprouted. After 3 days, from those tiny sprouts, they have all pushed through the coir to grow lush green leaves. Once the root system starts reaching out through the plastic cup slots, the plants will grow like wildfire from this point on. Can you believe it? My water spinach has already tripled in height. Such incredible vitality. The taller they get, the more water they drink. Remember to check the water level in the box. Don't let the roots dry out. White rice. Put it into the blender. Add some water. Rice water is rich in vitamins B1, B2, and B6, especially B1, the miracle drug that stimulates powerful root development. My hydroponic water spinach garden is fully grown now. The stalks are reaching high and crowding together. And the root system has reached its maximum size. Let's harvest the water spinach together. Cut across the stems, leaving about 2 to 3 nodes from the base. This will help the plant continue to sprout new branches for the next harvest. And just like that, I have a huge basket of clean water spinach. Thank you all for watching until the end of the video.